In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you could see your recently deleted post on Instagram. So it's very easy to do, it's very simple, and I'll show you step by step how that's done. Now, first and foremost, head over to your profile and go ahead and click the top right hand three horizontal lines. Now, doing this, you're going to see the how you use Instagram option. Now, go ahead and click on your activity and then scroll down and click on removed and archived content. Now click on recently deleted here, and here you'll be able to actually see your recently deleted post on Instagram. So it's a pretty cool feature that they actually added, and not only does it feature posts, but it features stories, IGTV videos, and reels. So if you've accidentally deleted them, they will actually show up on here, and you'll be able to actually reinstate them and recover them as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below that it did help you, and I will see you all for the next